Next is your shark gill. Shark gill? Shark scale? Shark gill. Is this the new shark? I still don't have it, the first version of it. But yeah, the shark gill is 560 FB. So it's a free ball with 560. Whoa, nice man. And you can see the blade of the shark gill. It's very aggressive. It has two contact points right there, and here. I'm excited with this deck set, man. I really want to try it. But yeah, it's painted in green and black. So our Emperor Might maybe will chip those black parts, those black paints, and then our Golem Rock in Hulk version, our Golem Rock in Hulk mode, maybe, yeah, it's really Hulk because it's already also have that M85. It's very, yeah, it will really add those weight. Yeah, I also like Golem Rock when I'm using it here. So it's, yeah, it can really make difference. Okay, so but yeah, the chipping of the paints, we cannot avoid that because it's already only painted, not the usual not the metal itself. Still, it's very nice, man. I'm very excited to have this, to have an unboxing, a speed sa Tagalog, man, unboxing, spin test, a test battles, yeah, with other Beyblades. But I like this one first together with these three. So for now, thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Say goodbye, say and Dr. Show saying off. That's it, and peace out. Bye.